As of 2024, approximately 35.5 million Americans are living with chronic kidney disease, CKD, affecting more than 1 in 7 adults in the U.S. This condition is a major public health concern, with many individuals remaining unaware of their diagnosis. It is estimated that 90% of people with kidney disease don't know they have it, and about 1 in 3 individuals with severely diminished kidney function, who are not yet on dialysis, are also unaware. Currently, around 808,000 Americans face kidney failure, with over 557,000 undergoing dialysis. The prevalence of kidney failure is expected to rise in the coming years. Your kidneys are essential organs that work tirelessly to filter out toxins and waste from your body, keeping you healthy and balanced. However, with the modern diet and lifestyle, your kidneys can sometimes use a little extra help. Fortunately, nature offers an array of foods that not only support but also cleanse your kidneys naturally. Want to give your kidneys a refreshing detox without the need for harsh cleanses or supplements? These 10 delicious, natural foods can help purify your system and boost kidney function, starting with a simple bite. Point number 1. Blueberries. A powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, key contributors to kidney damage. Their high vitamin C content supports immune function, while their low potassium levels make them kidney-friendly, especially for those managing chronic kidney disease. Consuming blueberries regularly can help reduce the risk of developing kidney stones and infections. Additionally, their natural compounds promote overall kidney health by aiding in the detoxification process, flushing out toxins, and reducing the strain on the kidneys. Point number 2. Lemon water. Excellent natural cleanser for your kidneys due to its high citrate content. Citrate helps prevent kidney stones by binding with calcium and stopping crystal formation. Drinking lemon water regularly helps flush out toxins and excess fluids, keeping the kidneys hydrated and functioning efficiently. The vitamin C in lemons also boosts immunity and reduces inflammation, which is crucial for protecting kidney health. A simple daily habit of drinking lemon water can significantly support the detoxification process in your kidneys. Point number 3. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support kidney function. These greens are rich in magnesium, which helps reduce calcium buildup in the kidneys, lowering the risk of kidney stones. Consuming leafy greens regularly promotes detoxification by boosting overall kidney health, supporting waste elimination, and providing necessary nutrients without overwhelming the kidneys. Point number 4. Garlic. A natural detoxifier with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that benefit kidney health. It contains sulfur compounds that help flush out toxins and reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys. Garlic also helps lower blood pressure, which is vital for maintaining proper kidney function, as hypertension can strain these organs. Additionally, garlic's ability to reduce cholesterol levels supports overall cardiovascular and kidney health, preventing damage caused by poor circulation. Regular consumption of garlic promotes cleansing by helping your kidneys remove waste more effectively. Point number 5. Watermelon. Excellent natural diuretic, meaning it helps increase urine production and flush out toxins from the kidneys. With its high water content, about 92%, watermelon keeps the body hydrated, which is essential for optimal kidney function. It also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and protects kidney cells from damage. Watermelon's natural sugars and nutrients, such as potassium, help balance fluid levels in the body without overloading the kidneys, making it a refreshing and kidney-friendly option for detoxification. Point number 6. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful root with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that benefit the kidneys. It helps reduce inflammation, which can damage kidney tissues over time. Ginger also aids in digestion and promotes better circulation, helping the body eliminate waste products more effectively. Additionally, ginger has diuretic effects, encouraging increased urine production to flush out toxins from the kidneys. Its natural compounds help protect against kidney dysfunction while supporting the overall detoxification process, making it a valuable addition to a kidney cleansing diet. Point number 7. Turmeric. A potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that provides significant benefits for kidney health. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can otherwise damage kidney cells and lead to chronic conditions. It also supports overall detoxification by promoting the removal of harmful substances from the body. Additionally, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help manage kidney-related conditions such as nephritis. Regular consumption of turmeric, whether in food or supplements, can support kidney function and enhance the body's natural cleansing processes. Point number 8. Apples. Rich in fiber, particularly pectin, which aids in the removal of toxins and supports overall kidney function. The high antioxidant content in apples helps reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress, which can protect kidney tissues from damage. Apples also promote healthy digestion, ensuring efficient waste elimination from the body. Additionally, their moderate potassium levels make them suitable for kidney health, as they support fluid balance without overloading the kidneys. Including apples in your diet can help maintain kidney health and support natural detoxification. Point number 9. Cabbage. A highly nutritious vegetable that supports kidney health through its rich content of phytochemicals, including antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These nutrients help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation, which can protect kidney tissues from damage. Cabbage is also a good source of fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting the elimination of waste from the body. Its low potassium levels make it kidney-friendly, as it helps maintain proper fluid balance without putting excessive strain on the kidneys. Regular consumption of cabbage can contribute to overall kidney health and detoxification. Point number 10. Avocados are packed with essential nutrients that support kidney health. They are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain fluid balance in the body, crucial for kidney function. Avocados also contain healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which reduce inflammation and support overall cardiovascular health. Their high fiber content aids in digestion and helps remove waste products from the body. Additionally, avocados are rich in antioxidants, which help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and damage. Including avocados in your diet can promote kidney health and assist in natural detoxification. Incorporating these 10 kidney-friendly foods into your diet can help naturally support and cleanse your kidneys, promoting overall health and well-being. From antioxidant-rich blueberries to hydrating watermelon, each food offers unique benefits that aid in detoxification and maintain kidney function. Embracing these nutritious options not only enhances kidney health but also contributes to a balanced and vibrant lifestyle. Start adding these natural detoxifiers to your meals and enjoy the benefits of healthier, happier kidneys.